afternoon everyone, how's everyone doing? Finches of Paul here on YouTube, and I've got a lot of Neil Finches as well. How you doing?
How you doing? Alright?
Come to Swanbourne train station. I came here 2017, come to have a look at the original ticket office. Bloke we saw just a couple of minutes ago asked we can have a look around, so here we go. All good, yeah?
Yeah, let's go inside.
Yeah. Maybe a little bit dark in bits, but you probably can, like the original ticket office here. Get your old tickets. What stations would it have been here?
So this station is on the line of the Bicester to Bletchley route. They're reopening its line from Oxford to Bedford.
No, okay.
So this station is one of the original existing stations along the line because the chap still lived in it.
Oh, right, yeah.
He lived in there for 40 years. His dad worked on the railways.
Oh, right.
So unfortunately, because it was part of British Rail ownership,
yeah,
he's always rented the place from British Rail or Network Rail, whatever it is now. And unfortunately, he's got to move out. And the whole place is going to get demolished. Unfortunately, it's a shame. This is quite a rare opportunity.
Yeah. So this would have been the probably office where people get your come to get your tickets and so on. So that'd be no like where we just stand just a couple of minutes ago, and that would have been the waiting area, maybe, would it?
Yeah, there would have been some chairs and
chairs and so on.
There's a little fire here.
So we've got 2 fires. Got one just here.
2 fireplaces, original fireplaces.
Yeah.
Obviously, the roof's being supported at the moment because it's quite deteriorated. There's a lot of holes in the roof.
Crazy.
I think there's an original station sign that's been used on this window to board it out.
Oh, okay.
I'm not too sure what it makes out. It looks like
Yeah, you can't really see that.
access to office, maybe.
I've got another room in the back here. Got Thomas, maybe one. Looks like an
old Christmas light.
Yeah, Christmas light for the old. Probably you would have set up for Christmas do's here, maybe, or so on.
So this would have been, I think he said this was the ladies' waiting room.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So we've got a lot of fireplace here. So we better shakes. And it's just got one toilet.
Yeah, but that's not been sat on for a while.
So,
But yeah, you can see from the age of it.
Bit dusty in there, looks like.
Oh yeah, I mean there's years of cobwebs. I mean this has not been really. Well, it's not been in use since 1965.
No, right, yeah.
When it closed.
Okay. So like I said, the original ticket office at Swanbourne train station. Swanbourne, sorry.
So we go outside so we can get into the platform area.
The tracks are finally gone now. When I came here last time there was tracks here. There's no tracks here now. It's all closed off up there. It's probably start of
There's going to be work commencing soon of relaying new track
yeah,
in the next couple of years.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Neil's Adventures as well. But like I said, Neil said there probably would be new track coming down as well. The last time I was here was 2017.
Yeah, this was a public footpath across here. I think they closed it off. I don't think we're going to get a £1,000 penalty.
Oh, sure, yeah.
That's heading off to
Winslow, okay. And that would head off to Bletchley, would it?
Bletchley, yeah.
So, and this would head off to Bletchley area. So yeah. The house is going to be getting knocked down. To come back maybe through the week, maybe to have a quick look again or something. Can you get down there now? Oh, it's all closed off, it looks like down there. So yeah, anyway, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Adventures of Paul. Don't forget to subscribe to Neil's Adventures as well. You want to say goodbye?
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks for meeting up with us.
Yeah. Okay, mate. I'll catch you on the next video. And bye for now. Bye for now.